Nano Banana is a total game changer in the world of AI creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you what Nano Banana can do. Whether you want to use it to boost your creativity or make money with content creation. I'll also show you how to use Nano Banana for free at the time of this recording. Nano Banana makes it easy for anyone to upload an image and edit it in different styles. You can switch camera angles, you can create different scene variations, and best of all, you can keep the character consistent through every change. Here's how to use Nano Banana for free. Step 1. Go to amarina.ai. Don't worry, I provided the link in the description box below for you to try out. Once you're on the platform, you go to where it says Bachelor. You click on that and then click on Direct Chat. Step 2. Click Battle, Direct Chat, Generate Images. You'll notice it switches into Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. That's Nano Banana. Another way to access it, just search Google AI Studio Nano Banana and click the first link. Now, here's the catch. You only get 3 free generations per session. Once you hit that limit, you have 2 options. A. Wait a few hours or until the next day to reset, or B. Open an incognito window and revisit the site. For the first example, I uploaded an image of a lady holding a trophy. Prompt. Add fire inside the trophy cup. Make it nighttime with 5 shooting stars crossing the sky. Seconds later, the result blew me away. The fire glows, the stars streak across the sky, and even the city lights shimmer in the background. Stunning. Next, let's test an image effect with a robot scene. I uploaded an image of 2 robots and gave this prompt. Set the red robot on fire. Change the background to space with both robots standing on the moon. The output was amazing. It is exactly as I described. If you found this video valuable so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More AI tools and tricks are coming your way soon. One of Nano Banana's superpowers is keeping characters and environments consistent across multiple angles. This is a big deal because most of the AI-generated models do not do this. Well, you can ask any guru and they will tell you that themselves. But with Nano, it does the job very well, and that's one of its purpose. So you have to keep this model in mind. For example, I uploaded an image of a spy skydiving. First prompt, show a low angle shot looking upward. Results? It kind of looks the same, it just has a closer view of the skydiver. I'm pretty sure with multiple iterations, it will get it right. Let's move on to the second prompt though. Second prompt, show a wide aerial drone shot from above with the landscape visible. The results? I like how the camera angle is further out from the spy. Third prompt, give me a clean side profile shot of the man skydiving. Again, consistent character, consistent environment. The image came out real good and kept the character consistent with the environment. I am happy with the results. Nano Banana can even merge multiple images into one. Example, I combined a man in a tuxedo holding a gun, a hot pan of food, and a luxury living room. Prompt. Place the man in the living room, holding the pot instead of a gun. The result looks seamless. There's also prompt mapping. Upload multiple labeled images into Canva, assign each character a name, save, and re-upload into Nano. Then use prompts like Zeus raises his fist, Kratos sits on the steps, Catwoman blows a kiss. And yes, the output was spot on. Nano Banana can swap objects instantly. Example, I replaced the pot with a giant teddy bear. Perfectly swapped. Then I changed the tuxedo to a tracksuit. Style updated, character intact. It can even colorize black and white photos. I used a photo of Abraham Lincoln and turned it into color. Without losing quality. And yes, you can even change facial expressions. Lincoln smiling? Done. Have him stick his tongue out. Done. So as you can see, Nano Banana isn't just another AI tool, it's a powerhouse. From angles and object swaps to colorization and multi-character scenes, it's redefining creative control. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More AI tools and tricks are coming your way soon. Until next time, stay creative.